History of Grand Bazaar. The Grand Bazaar is one of the oldest and largest covered markets in the world. It is located in Istanbul, Turkey. The bazaar has a rich history and unique architecture. It is a popular place for tourists and locals. History of the Grand Bazaar. The Grand Bazaar was built in 1455. It was built by Sultan Mehmed II after the conquest of Constantinople. The bazaar started as a small market. Over time, it grew bigger and bigger. Today, it has over 4,000 shops. The bazaar has been a center of trade for centuries. Merchants from different countries came to sell their goods. The Grand Bazaar was important for the economy of the Ottoman Empire. It helped connect Europe and Asia through trade. In the 18th century, the bazaar was expanded. Many new buildings and streets were added. The Grand Bazaar became a complex with many sections. Each section sells different types of products, like textiles, jewelry, and spices. Architecture of the Grand Bazaar. The Grand Bazaar has beautiful architecture. It has many domes and arches. The roofs are covered, which protects visitors from the weather. The main entrance is grand and inviting. Inside, there are narrow streets and alleys. The bazaar is like a maze. Visitors can explore different shops and find unique items. The shops are colorful and full of life. The bazaar is decorated with beautiful tiles and traditional designs. The bazaar has a historical feel. It is a place where people can experience the culture of Istanbul. Many shops have been in the same family for generations. They sell handmade items and traditional goods. Historical events. The Grand Bazaar has witnessed many important events. It was a center for trade during the Ottoman Empire. Merchants from all over the world came to sell their goods. In the 19th century, the bazaar became more organized. There were new regulations for the shops. This helped improve trade and attract more customers. The Grand Bazaar became famous in Europe and beyond. In 1941, a fire damaged part of the bazaar. Many shops were destroyed, but it was rebuilt. Today, the Grand Bazaar stands strong as a symbol of resilience. Cultural importance. The Grand Bazaar is an important part of Turkish culture. It is a place where people come to shop and socialize. The bazaar reflects the history of Istanbul and its people. Today, the Grand Bazaar attracts millions of visitors each year. Tourists come to buy souvenirs and enjoy the atmosphere. It is a vibrant place filled with sounds, colors, and smells. Visitors can find many unique items in the bazaar. Traditional carpets, ceramics, and spices are popular. Bargaining is a common practice in the shops. It is part of the shopping experience. The Grand Bazaar is also a place to enjoy Turkish culture. Visitors can drink Turkish tea and taste local sweets. There are many cafes where people can relax. The Grand Bazaar today. Today, the Grand Bazaar is still a lively market. It has modern shops alongside traditional ones. The bazaar is constantly changing, but it keeps its historical charm. There are guided tours available for visitors. These tours help people learn about the history and significance of the bazaar. Many local guides share stories and interesting facts. The Grand Bazaar is a place where history and modern life meet. It is a must-visit for anyone traveling to Istanbul. The energy of the bazaar is contagious. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Grand Bazaar is an important historical and cultural site. Its architecture is beautiful and its history is rich. The bazaar has played a significant role in trade for centuries. Visitors can feel the spirit of Istanbul when they walk through the bazaar. It is a place of commerce, culture, and community. The Grand Bazaar will continue to inspire and welcome people for many years to come. When you visit Istanbul, make sure to explore the Grand Bazaar. It is a place filled with stories, colors, and unique treasures. The bazaar invites everyone to discover its charm and history. If you like it, please subscribe. I would be happy.